Hi, I'm Zach. I'm a Strategic Partnership Manager here at Giant, and I'm going to show you how to use Loom to record your desktop. So let's get started. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to describe and prepare a recording of the tasks which you're interested in automating. In our example here, we're going to use Loom. Loom is a very simple tool, and I'll add a link to the description for Loom's terms of service. But using Loom, I will export a list of clients from Mailchimp, which is a mailing tool, and then I will import the list to our Pipedrive, which is a sales CRM. It's crucial to describe the tasks step by step with your microphone so that we are able to interpret the tasks and the tools used. Alright, so let's get started. We'll click here for Get Loom for free and choose whether we'd like to sign in with Google, Slack, Apple, or SSO. I'm partial to Google, so we'll click Google. I'll log in here, bringing us to the landing dashboard. Now, I prefer to use the Chrome extension for Loom, which you can search by typing in Loom free screen recorder and screen capture, and then add that to your Chrome or Safari or Firefox. Alright, so let's get started using Loom. We'll go up to our extension here in Chrome, select Loom. It'll bring up Loom's extension, which you can choose to record only your screen and camera, or just your camera. I'm going to go ahead and click screen only and then start recording. I'll select entire screen, select share, hold your breath, and voila! We're now recording our screen using Loom. So I'll go ahead here to Mailchimp. I'll sign in with my login details. Alright, send my verification code. Alright, so it's 338001. Perfect. Without that part. Now we're logging into Mailchimp. Perfect. So I'll go here to Audience because I want to export my contacts. I'll go to All Contacts, select that, and I'll go down here to Export Audience. Once I select Export Audience, it'll allow me to choose if it's a CSV file. I want to export it as a CSV file. Pipedrive is a sales CRM used in most businesses to direct a sales funnel. So with this, I'll go to the left side here and find Contact, and then the three dots over here for settings. I'll select Data Import, and then I will import from a spreadsheet. Now I can drag and drop this file here, and this will upload the contact list into my Pipedrive. Whatever software you're using, it could be complex. And if it is complex, make sure that you're dictating exactly what you're doing as you're doing it with the microphone so that our developing team knows exactly how to program the robots in order to complete the tasks. It helps us out tremendously. In this specific instance, I need to select certain things to curate the proper contact form. So I'll select those things and then go down to here and press Next. I'll merge the data or create multiple records, and that will wrap up the task for Pipedrive. Hey, so I hope that explained to you how to use Loom to record your desktop while you're doing your day-to-day tasks in your business. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know in the comments below and we'll get right back to you. Thank you.